So I'm gonna start with these crystals. I ended up buying quite a few different crystals, quite a few colors: black, green, emerald, white. The stones that you don't really see very often. So I thought that was cool. These are just like your basic stones, multicolor, and then the white ones, which I really like. And also the black ones I bought separately, I believe. I'll have to link it all below. It'll be in the description box, so definitely check that out. But these black ones, I bought them because Halloween, of course. I didn't end up using them just yet, but they're very pretty. Like they're matte black, so that's pretty cool. And these were from a separate transaction, but as you can see, still the multicolored stones, which I like a lot. And the white stones, they have really, really small white stones in this one, which I like as well. Next, we have some nail foil. So it comes in this cute little box. And these are actually my snake print nail foils. I ended up using this one on my birthday design. If you watched that video, I'll link it in the cards, but it was very easy to use, and this was very inexpensive in regards to nail foil. So, great buy. Next, we have some glitter leaves. These I bought because it's fall and that design is in. So as you can see, multicolored leaves. We have the holographic ones, which are really cute. I do want to use those very soon. And then a lot of different colors, so you can pretty much use these for any season nail art. It also came with cute little tweezers. So I had no idea that these were included, but that's always nice to have handy little tools. Another one of my Amazon finds here, these Halloween nail foils. I didn't actually get a chance to use them, but they are really cute and they're very affordable. So check them out. This one is really pretty. I want to use this soon. But yeah, check it out. It'll be in the description box as well. So we also have some stuff that I got from AliExpress. And these, they're warning, they took a really long time to get here. So if you're ordering from AliExpress, make sure that you're ordering months out, because it will take a very long time to get here. So these are just different color butterflies. As you can see, they're very cute, almost color changing, which I like. Iridescent, blue, red-ish, yellow, and also green. I bought these because they're a little bit different from the ones that I got from Amazon, which I like. So, love it. Very cute. Very, very cheap. More butterflies. But these come in a cute little container. And they are also multicolored. But as you can see, they are different from the colors that come in the individual bags. So, I like that. Here we have foils, different colored foils, which is new to me. I do like that a lot. I knew there was gold, silver, and rose gold, but I didn't know it came in all these other colors. So that was really cute. And this is something nice to add to my collection to just have in case I need it. And more leaves, different color leaves. They're shaped a little bit different from the ones that I got from Amazon, but still very cute, very colorful, shiny, and again, very cheap. And this is everything that I got from AliExpress. Here, I have these bits. They are, I believe they're carbide. Yeah, I'll have to check, but the link will be in the description below. But I got these nail bits. They come in 3. They're cuticle bits. So anything that'll help me prevent lifting, that's pretty much what I'm going for. So I got these. They work really well. I have used them because I bought all this stuff maybe 2 weeks ago. So very, very useful. It's pretty cool seeing all the dead skin come off. So hopefully that helps with lifting. I'll let you guys know in a later update. But yeah. This I got as a suggestion from Natalie Carmona. I believe that's how you say her name here on YouTube. She suggested this extra coarse safety bit, and I really like it because having a extra coarse bit with no safety is kind of scary to me. So I have used this. As you can see, it's very good. Takes off gel polish very quickly. Takes off bulk very quickly. 10 out of 10, recommend this. Next, I have this set of 3. So as you can see, cuticle nippers, cuticle pusher. Not really sure what this is for, sorry, but these are very cute. I like the colors. I bought it because of the color. I have used these obviously, but I do not recommend using these to take off crystals. I kind of messed them up doing that, but they're still really good. I do recommend them. And again, everything will be in the description box below. Moving into the juicy part, the acrylics. So when Melanones had a sale, I believe it's Melanones. It'll be in the description. But they had a sale on colored acrylics. So as you can see, I did, you know, make quite a few purchases. And these came in sets. And it was very inexpensive. I have not swatched them yet. I will do a separate video swatching all of these colors so that you can see and determine whether you like them. I gotta determine whether I like them, so we'll do it together. Okay, so these are all of the acrylic powders I got from Monomer. And yeah, as you can see, quite a bit of variety here, and we'll see how they swatch very soon. Next, we have some colors from Glam and Glitz. I've already swatched these, but I can make a separate video swatching them again. If anyone is interested, definitely let me know in the description box below. So I got all of these colors, as you can see. Next, I have some really cute foils from Profiles Backstage. I bought the set where they give you 5 random, I believe it's 5 random foils. So I will lay them all here. so you can see. Also from Profiles Backstage, I got these cute little nail art pieces. The roses, really cute gold roses. Hopefully it's coming off on camera, but it's really cute, small, perfect for any set, any occasion. And then I have these snowflakes because winter. Also these cute little, I don't know what to really call these, but they're pretty big, as you can see, compared to my nails, so I wouldn't put them on a short set, but these are really cute, and I thought they would go really good on like an extra dramatic set. So hopefully I'll be able to use these soon. Also from Profiles Backstage, I got these neon colors, neon pigments, and they're really cute. A little variety, and they really do show up as neon colors when you swatch them, so I really do like these powders. Haven't used them very much, but next time I do, I'll record it. It's huge containers of foil. You don't have to buy those little small $2.99 containers of foil. You can get these huge ones from Amazon, and they were only $7.99. $7.99 for these huge foils, and they came together. So this is definitely a nail supply hack for all of you looking for foil. Check it out. As you can see the name, I'll also link it in the description box, but again, get you some. Very cheap, very affordable, and you'll have these forever. There we go. The gold is my favorite. Love it. These foils also come in different colors, like rose gold and all of that cute stuff. So check them out. Get you a big thing of foil and stop paying $2.99 for a small one. This was $2.99, so obviously this is a better deal to get 2 of these for $7.99. So another affordable nail art hack for you guys. All right, also we have these glitters. I got them from Michaels. I don't remember the price, but if I can find them. So they were $12.99. Obviously a lot of different glitters. The very popular iridescent glitter right now comes in this one, and a lot of other colors. So you can just imagine the designs you can do with all of these. A lot of nail designs can come from these, as you can see, and they're really pretty, very affordable, and you get a lot of them. So this is what I'll be using. If you see glitter in my videos, that's where I got it from. Also from Michaels, I forgot to include that the rhinestones came with a picker, a really cute picker, so that's always cool. But some other glitters I got from Michaels. This one. This is really pretty, reminds me of like mermaid type of vibes. So I thought this was really cute. And very affordable, guys. So if you're looking for glitter, go to Michaels, go to Hobby Lobby. You will get the bang for your buck. These, I know these are $3.99. Also from Michaels. really cute chunky glitters, rose gold sparkle, and then also the blue here. So as you can see, I use Mega Secret clear acrylic powder and the liquid monomer. I got these from eBay and they were I think very affordable. The clear acrylic was $59.99 and the monomer was $69.99. So compared to getting like a smaller set, this was a really good price when you do the math for it. Getting it in bulk like this actually saves you quite a bit of money. So another tip for you is to buy them in bulk if you are looking for, you know, monomer and clear acrylic. Alright guys, so this concludes my nail supply haul. And I accumulated all of this stuff in about a month, so it was not like overnight, just letting you know. Also, the model loans did take a long time to get here, so I wanted to wait for those. And I will be doing swatches for them very soon. If you have any questions, let me know. Also, like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to have you join the family. And thank you so much for watching.